Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dig deep, test hard, and deliver real opinions on the tools you need. In today's video, we're reviewing what might just be the best magnetic 10-piece screwdriver set you can buy. The Amartisan 10-piece magnetic screwdriver set. Let's jump right in. Right out of the box, the Amartisan set makes a great first impression. You get 10 screwdrivers in total, 5 Phillips head and 5 slotted tips. Each one is magnetized and crafted for professional grade use, but priced for the everyday DIYer. And when we say magnetic, we mean strong, reliable magnetism that holds screws in place. Not that barely they're charged some cheaper sets come with. Now, the material here is worth highlighting. The screwdriver shafts are made from chrome vanadium steel, a solid, high-durability alloy that offers great resistance to wear and corrosion. The black finished blades also contribute to the durability while giving the tools a premium look. When you're working on stubborn or rusted screws, you want steel that won't twist or chip, and in testing, these screwdrivers held up really well. The grip is another area where Amartisan nailed the design. Each screwdriver comes with a cushion grip handle made of TPR, that's thermoplastic rubber, which makes it ergonomic and comfortable even for long jobs. Whether you're assembling furniture or working inside tight enclosures, the grip stays comfortable and doesn't slip, even with sweaty hands or when wearing gloves. 2 of the screwdrivers in the set are what Amartisan calls key screwdrivers, small, portable versions you can throw in your pocket or keep in a utility pouch. These are perfect for on-the-go fixes or quick access when you don't want to carry the full set. Another thoughtful detail: the transparent storage bucket. It's compact, easy to carry, and keeps your tools organized and protected. It's not a hard case, but it does its job well. It makes it really easy to spot the size or type of screwdriver you need quickly. During hands-on testing, this set performed better than expected for the price. The magnetism was consistent across all 10 pieces. The tips fit snugly in a variety of screws without stripping. And most importantly, the build quality held up under real use. We tried these on electrical plates, computer builds, hinges, furniture, you name it, and they did not disappoint. If you're someone who needs a reliable set for general home use, occasional repairs, or even light professional work, the Amartisan 10-piece magnetic screwdriver set checks all the boxes. It combines durability, comfort, and usability in a way that far outperforms most budget kits in the same category. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a home improvement warrior, or just need a solid go-to kit in your drawer, this set gets our full recommendation. That wraps up this episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. If there's a tool you want us to test next. Until then, keep building, keep fixing, and we'll see you in the next review.